Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both accounts are ready and the phone number matches. This avoids verification delays. Open Flipkart, add the items you want, and keep the cart visible so you can watch totals change. Then switch to Google Pay and locate the Flipkart offer, note the coupon code, and any minimum order value or expiry. Once done, return to Flipkart with the coupon details in hand. This ensures you can apply it during checkout without losing the cart. You proceed to checkout and select the correct delivery address because certain coupons are location restricted. Then pick the payment method. Keep Google Pay selected if the offer requires it. Tap Apply Coupon and type the Google Pay coupon code exactly. Small typos cause rejection. After applying, make sure the discount reflects on the order total and that shipping and tax calculations still look right. If the coupon doesn't appear, double-check minimum spend. Eligible item. You finish by selecting Google Pay if required and authenticate quickly with your UPI PIN or biometrics. Delayed authentication can cancel the coupon application. Confirm the final payable amount and note the order ID from Flipkart's confirmation screen so you can track the transaction. If the coupon failed to apply, try re-entering it, clear the Flipkart app cache, or switch networks. If problems persist, contact Flipkart or Google Pay support with screenshots and the order ID for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.